In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscriber preferences in Beehiiv. This is a great way to tailor your communication and engage more effectively with your audience by allowing them to specify their preferences for the types of content they wish to receive and how often they receive it. So let's get started with these easy to follow steps. First, you'll want to log into your Beehiiv account. Once you are in, navigate to the audience section and then click on subscribers. You'll see a preferences tab there. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're entering the space where you can manage how you interact with your subscribers and personalize their experience. Next, look for the new preference button and click it. This is where the fun begins because you're about to create a new preference for your subscribers. Upon clicking, a form will appear on the right hand side of your screen. This is where you can input the details for the preference you're about to set up. Now let's talk about naming your preference. It's important to enter a clear and descriptive name along with a description for your new preference. This information should accurately reflect the nature of the preference and be easily understood by your subscribers when they visit their preference center. Clarity here is key because it ensures that your subscribers know exactly what they are opting into. Following that, you'll need to decide on the preference type. This could be multiple choice, a short response, or any other style that suits what you're trying to gather from your subscribers. Choosing the right type will ensure you're collecting information in a manner that is both efficient and easy for your users to complete. Then you'll select the response field where the user's input will be stored. If you're setting up a new kind of preference and haven't yet created a field for this, don't worry. Simply click on New Custom Field. This will allow you to name your custom field, determine the data type, and when you're happy with it, just hit Save. Once you have filled in all the essential details and you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and click Create in the bottom right corner of your screen. This finalizes the creation of the preference. Before we wrap up, let's touch on a couple of examples of subscriber preferences that you might consider. A popular option is email frequency. This allows users to choose how often they want to receive emails from you, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Another is newsletter types, where you enable users to select specific newsletters or topics they're interested in. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully set up subscriber preferences in Beehiiv, paving the way for a more customized and engaging communication strategy. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.